Good morning, students. This is your science class. We study today topic acceleration. Acceleration. Last week class we study about speed, average speed, velocity, average velocity. These are all to relate change your position. Change your position. That's all relate. If we change position any of a object, that's called acceleration, velocity, speed. Today we study acceleration. What is the acceleration? We can define easily the rate of change of velocity. The rate means time change of velocity. Velocity. What is the velocity? Velocity is the initial velocity and the final velocity. Change of velocity means what is the initial velocity and what is the final velocity. Where do we start any of object moving a specific direction and where is the last position. That's called velocity. We are studying velocity on behalf of acceleration. So how do we define acceleration? Acceleration is a vector. Vector means which any of object is essential direction. जहाँ पे आवश्यक है डायरेक्शन या दिशा. अब change of velocity means you know that initial velocity and the final velocity. Average velocity we studied last class. Average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity and divided by 2. That is the velocity. But acceleration, what is the acceleration? मैंने यहाँ पे आपको एक triangle draw किया है. That is acceleration. V means velocity. And what is velocity? Initial velocity and the final velocity. V and U. V is initial velocity and U is the V is the final velocity and U is initial velocity. Change in velocity meter per second. You know that what is the unit of velocity? Meter per second, meter per minute, kilometer per hour. These are all the unit of velocity, speed. And that is A. Acceleration. Acceleration unit is meter per second square. Meter per second square. I will explain how to we find out the unit of acceleration. This is time. These are relate acceleration. The rate of change. The rate of change of velocity. Velocity में जो change है time के according, that's called acceleration. अब how do we have what is the formula of acceleration? The formula of acceleration is a v minus u upon t. This is the formula of acceleration. V minus u is the final position. Yeah, we can say that the final velocity and the initial velocity divided by with the rate of means time. This is the change of velocity. This is a proper rate. That's called acceleration. If we find v velocity a minus v and the acceleration v means v minus u. We can write here v minus u upon t. That's called acceleration. And we find out time. It means change of velocity and divided by acceleration. What is the acceleration? चलो मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं आपको. Example, any of object start 0. This is initial velocity. Initial velocity is 0 meter per second. Which situation? जब मैं स्टेबल हूं, स्थिर हूं, तो मेरी जो वेलोसिटी है वो भी 0 है, क्योंकि नो चेंज इन माय पोजीशन. आई कांट मूव नहीं कर सकता, मूव नहीं कर रहा हूं. It means the initial velocity is 0 meter per second. But change my position. I am moving in north direction with the speed or the velocity 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. After that, I will change my speed or velocity. Now my speed is 15 meter per second. This is the final velocity. And यहाँ पे अगर हम देते हैं any of object, it is not moving. What is the acceleration? 0. But in moving, देखो मैंने लास्ट में आपको बताया था, the change in your position, that's are relate all acceleration, velocity, speed. But any of object are stable, not movable. That's all speed, velocity, acceleration, all is 0. But after the movement, what is the initial velocity? 10 meter per second. After I accelerate means speed बढ़ाता हूँ. That's final velocity is 15 meter per second. It means object has accelerate. अब object क्या कर रहा है? Accelerate कर रहा है. Second example is Johnny moving the constant velocity 5 meter per second. After the time interval, the velocity also is 5 meter per second. It means the velocity is constant, no change there any of velocity. Velocity में कोई change नहीं. यहाँ पे भी इसकी speed और velocity 5 meter per second है. After भी 5 meter per second है. It means no change in velocity. What is? I am not. Johnny is not accelerate. It means acceleration is 0. Clear? That's acceleration. What is acceleration? In the behalf of all examples, the rate of change. अब rate of change यहाँ पे 10 meter per second. 10 meter per second. मैं 10 meter जो है वो 5 second में cover कर रहा हूँ. After I accelerate and change my velocity 15 meter per second. Simple example. जब हम किसी भी कार में एक खुली सड़क पे मूव कर रहे हैं, अचानक ट्रैफिक में फंसते हैं. That's down our velocity. This is the first. जैसे मान लीजिए किसी ट्रैफिक में मेरी गाड़ी जो है उसकी स्पीड है 1 किलोमीटर पर आवर. पर आफ्टर सम टाइम आई एक्सीलरेट, क्योंकि ट्रैफिक क्लियर होगा. आई एक्सीलरेट, और एक्सीलरेट करने के बाद मेरी जो स्पीड है वो है 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर. बिकॉज क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने एक्सीलरेट किया. तो व्हाट इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी? 5 किलोमीटर पर आवर. आफ्टर सम टाइम माय वेलोसिटी, फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर. अगर मैं और एक्सीलरेट करता हूं तो फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या आएगी? जस्ट 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो जो डिफरेंस है टाइम इंटरवल में, रेट में जो डिफरेंस है वेलोसिटी के बिहाफ पर, दैट्स कॉल्ड एक्सीलरेशन. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ एक्सीलरेशन. और हाउ डू वी फाइंड यूनिट ऑफ द एक्सीलरेशन? v is velocity, u is velocity. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second. u meter per second. Time second. Meter per second. Meter per second. And it is time. This is in minus. the change of velocity. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Meter per second square. How do we find out meter per second square? This is your homework. How do we find out the unit of acceleration meter per second square? You can find out with the formula v meter per second, u meter per second, t second. ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है और फाइंड आउट करना है। और जो है आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। We solve numerical in next class. Thank you.